fellow YouTubers. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Alright.
Right, this is our first video and we're just about to show you black magic levitating. Honest. None of that wussy stuff. I've gone in for my head. I've gone in for my head.
2 fingers we're using.
Yeah. 2 fingers, boys. Right. Try and lift me. Right, okay, you did lift me, you did lift me, you did lift me.
No.
Next time you're going to just lift me, but remember, well, I'm going to be light all over, so next time, lift my back as well as my legs. Right. Right, we're going to, stop lifting. Right, we're going to enter the dark side. Yeah, my mate Darth taught me this. I'm going to repeat a sequence, you're going to repeat it after me. When I ask you to, after 3, to rise, you will rise. That will when we will be entering the dark side. Okay boys, here we go. I'm just about to die. There's been an accident.
There's been an accident.
There's been an accident.
Called an ambulance.
Call an ambulance.
Call an ambulance.
He's dying.
He's dying.
He's dying.
He's dead.
He's dead.
He's dead.
After the count of 3, I will rise.
3.
1, 2, 3. Wow. I could breathe with myself. Wow.